want your cheek about halfway right here. That's when you know you're leaning forward in the correct position. If it's farther back, what am I doing? Right. If it's really far forward, what am I doing? Right. You want it right in the middle. Your face will just sit there automatically. You shouldn't have to strain your head forward or back to get in the right spot. All right. Once you have fired, please come straight back down to where you were. Okay, what I don't want to see is that we flip the rifle off our shoulder and point straight down. Okay, because now it's probably pointing at your foot or someone else's foot. All right. Also, whenever we go to fire again, we have to find that pocket of our shoulder again. Right. If you haven't done it a lot, it does take a second to find a comfortable spot for that to sit. Okay. Once you find it, leave it there. If you happen to get tired, because these get heavy after a little while. Okay. Just lean backwards, rest the grip on your stomach. Okay. That'll take most of the weight. If you're still holding it, body's taking some of that weight. All right. Any questions on that? No? Okay. This is an AR-15 magazine. Again, fake bullets inside. We're going to take one, put it downwards in our opposite pocket. Okay, your trigger in pocket. Okay? You're going to be on the line. Nice stance, nice grip, ready position. All right? I'm going to ask you to load the magazine. You're going to rotate to the side. It's at the bottom of the rifle is towards your trigger hand. Okay, because your magazine's over here. Take the stock, put it on the shoulder it was just on. You want it on top of your shoulder. The reason is if it's out front, you're now fighting the weight of the rifle. If it's up here, we about cut it in half. Okay? Take the magazine out of your pocket with the bullets up and forwards. As dumb as this sounds, the magazine goes in the hole shaped exactly like the magazine. Not here. Okay? Right into the bolt. Insert till it stops. Don't leave it hanging all the way out. Okay? As soon as it stops, nice easy slap, nice easy tug. Okay? That just makes sure that magazine's going to stay put. That make sense? Alright. Then come back down to two hands at 45 degrees in the ready position again. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you to charge the rifle. Okay, ironically with this, we're going to start with a peace sign. There's a T on the back of this rifle. Does everybody see that? Here's the bar, crossbar on the top. So this is your crossbar. There's a spring-loaded lever on the left-hand side of that. Okay? You're going to take that peace sign we just made, drape it over that T. All right? Pull that left-hand lever back, pull the whole bar back. You see how it moved the bolt with it, right? As soon as it stops, let go. Very important with this rifle, we pull it back and let go. Remember, don't do it if you don't mean it. All right? Pull it back, let it go. All right? Come back down to two hands at 45 degrees. Okay? Again, this is a semi-automatic rifle. That's going to come out every single time. This is what it looks like when it is empty. Okay, now we have to extract the empty magazine. Disregard everything I say for 30 seconds. All right, cool. So all you're going to do, it's actually what's going to be weird for you is that we do everything with our trigger. It's going to be totally backwards from what you look. But do you? We're going to rotate to the side. Put it back on our shoulder like we did before. Okay? Take your trigger hand. Fingers in front of the magazine so you can hold it. There's a button right here. It looks kind of like a stovetop, right? You're going to press that button. Pull the magazine straight out. Put it back in your pocket. All right? Any questions? No? All right? So all you have to do is drop our hand backwards, press the button, and pull. Done. Anything? Nothing? I'm not that good. Come on. No questions? You what? Yeah, everybody says shooting is for being right-handed, but I actually like being lefty. Agreed. So if you have a 1911, you get a lot of use out of that magazine release button. This is an AK-47 rifle. Okay, used by a lot of foreign militaries because it is a very, very reliable rifle. Okay, they're horribly built, which actually makes them awesome rifles. Okay, they have really large tolerances, so you can get dirt, sand, mud, snow, whatever you want inside there. It's going to continue to cycle through whatever there is. Unlike the AR-15, just like everything else you do in the United States, we manufacture that down to the nth degree, and if you sneeze, it might not fire. So, awesome, very reliable rifles. Okay, holding it, you're going to start the same way. Okay, loading it, you're going to start the same way. All right, the magazine's different. There's a notch in the front. You put the notch in first. Grab the magazine. Rock it directly backwards. It's going to click in right here. The magazine or the notch up front is basically just a hinge for your magazine to clip in. All right, and we're going to help you guys do that. All right. Once you've done that, come back down to two hands in the ready position. Okay. To charge this firearm, we have to put it on fire. Okay. This bar right here. There's your safety. If it is up in the same path as the bolt, it is unsafe. If it is down, it is now on fire. Safe. Fire. Does that make sense? This is your charging handle. You're going to reach forward. Pull the charging handle back. Let it go. Again. charged and ready to go. Please leave your safety on fire once you've done that. Okay? Again, horribly built, right? There's a little lip here, but if the safety misses the lip, it'll flip all the way around. If you flip it all the way around, it throws the firing pin forward, it will fire around. Okay? Leave the safety on fire. Okay? Just make sure your finger is up off the frame. Alright? Obviously, being left-handed, everything is on this side, so you have to drop the safety. Pull back and you're done. Right? Your sights on this rifle. There's a bar with a notch in the back. Circle with a post in the front. Bar with a notch. Circle with a post. Alright? Works just like the Glock. You're going to take the post inside that circle. The circle is just there to protect that post. Okay? The post inside, directly in between and level. Alright, sitting in level in the back. That make sense? Easy enough? Alright. This sight, this is a red dot sight. Okay? It's really cool because it's a floating red dot. Anywhere you happen to see the dot is exactly where that bolt is going to go. Okay? There's a post in the front. Don't worry about the post. The dot doesn't care where the post is. Alright? Where you see the dot is where it goes. This one is a red dot sight that has a dead battery. So, we're going to use iron sights on this one. On the rear, you have a circular aperture. I can do that. I'll do it in a second. On the rear, you have a circular aperture. Okay, it's just a circle. On the front, you have that post. Okay, what you're trying to do with this post inside that aperture, pretend it's a graph. You have an X and Y axis. You want to put the top and center of that post right where that bar is. Right? You won't see that. You just have to imagine in your head it needs to be dead center. Make sense? Much easier than it sounds once you do it. Any questions on that?